Hello and welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In this episode, we're gonna look at how you can create your Adobe account. If this video sounds helpful to you, watch it till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new. We upload about how to do things on the internet every day, so make sure to also press the bell icon to get notified every time we post. To create your Adobe account, open up a web browser. Then in the search bar, type in account.adobe.com. Now, as soon as you do that, you will arrive in the account section of Adobe. Next, click on the create an account option. From here, you will be able to create your account. You can also create your account using your Google account, your Facebook, or your Apple ID. Firstly, enter in your email address. Then type in your first name along with your last name. You will also need to create a password. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, which should contain small letters, capital letters, a number, and a symbol. Next, enter in your date of birth. Now select your country. After you fill in all this information, click on Create Account. Your account now has been successfully created. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.